Hello everyone, welcome to Ignite India Education. Today we will be discussing about the current affairs in the year of 2020. Here are some questions and answers which will be relevant for your BArch and B Designing exam in the year of 2021. So, without wasting any time, let's move on to our set of questions. So let's see what our first question is. Which company has partnered with Amex to provide the global benefits and offer exclusive privileges to their premium consumers? Is it ICICI card, PNB card, SBI card, IOB card, or HDFC card? Now it's time for you to take the right answer in your copy. Okay, so here I move on to the answer. Let's see what the answer is. The answer is SBI card. SBI Card and Payment Services Limited partners with the American Express Global Network Services to provide the global benefits and offer exclusive privileges to their premium consumer segments in India. So hope you have got the answer and the full explanation is also right in front of you. Let's move on to the second question. Which company has partnered with Bajaj Alliance to launch a cyber insurance named Digital Suraksha Group Insurance? Is it Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Snapdeal, or Max? Let's see what the correct answer is. The correct answer is Flipkart. The Flipkart and Bajaj Alliance Insurance Company has partnered Digital Suraksha Group Insurance for consumers who wish to cover themselves against financial losses resulting from cyber attacks, cyber frauds, or other such miscellaneous activities on various online platforms. Let's see what the next question is. India successfully test-fired a supersonic cruise missile with a strike range of over 400 kilometers in September 2020. What is the name of that missile? Is it Prahar, Agni, Brahmos, Nirvay, or Prithvi? Now let's see what the correct answer to this question is. The correct answer is Brahmos. India successfully test-fired the surface-to-surface supersonic cruise missile Brahmos with a strike range of over 400 kilometers from the Integrated Test Range ITR at Chandipur, Orissa. It was jointly conducted by the Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO and Brahmos Aerospace. The test firing was carried under the PJ-10 project of DRDO. It will pave the way for serial production of indigenous components of powerful weapon systems to realize the aim of Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is also known as self-reliance. Okay, so hope this answer is clear to you and let's switch over to the next question. So now let's see what the next question is. India plans to build a 100-bedded cancer hospital and 22,000-seater cricket stadium in which country? Is it Nepal, Mauritius, Manali, Bangladesh, or Maldives? The correct answer to this question is Maldives. India will build the 100-bedded cancer hospital and 22,000-seater cricket stadium in Maldives. The hospital will strengthen the bilateral cooperation between the two countries in the health sector. India will partner with the Housing Development Corporation Limited of Maldives for the development of Central Park. Hope the answer to this question is clear to you and let's switch over to the next question. New Development Bank NDB has approved $241 million for which metro rail project? Previously, $500 million were approved for Delhi Ghaziabad RRTS project. Now let's check us what the answer to this question is. The answer to this question is Mumbai Metro Rail project. New Development Bank NDB of BRICS approved $241 million approximately 1760 crores for Mumbai Metro Rail project. The loans were approved by the Board of Directors of NDB in the 28th meeting held in the virtual format of September 29, 2020. So I hope the answer to this question is very clear. Let's move on to the next question. How many banks were excluded from the second schedule of the RBI Act 1934 in September 2020? Is it 4, is it 6, 3, 7 or 9? Let's see what the answer is. The answer is 6. The 6 banks are Syndicate Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce, United Bank of India, Andhra Bank, Corporation Bank and Allahabad Bank. OBC and United Bank of India merged into Punjab National Bank, Syndicate Bank into Canara Bank, Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank into Union Bank of India, Allahabad Bank into Indian Bank. Let's see what the next question is. The next question says which bank has signed the MOU with the Hindustan Unilever Limited to provide the digital payment solutions and financial solutions? Is it State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, United Bank of India or Indian Bank? Let's see the answer to this question. The answer to this question is SBI. State Bank of India and Hindustan Unilever Limited signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) to provide digital payment solutions and financial solutions to HUL, retailers, and distributors. The partnership will accelerate the adoption of digital payments among small-scale entrepreneurs and retailers in all parts of the country. It will be available instantly in Mumbai and Bangalore. Hope the answer to this question is very clear to all of you. Until now, whatever we have discussed is clear to all the students. So now let's see what the next question is. The next question says, when was UN's International Day of Older Persons observed annually? Is it October 2, September 29, October 1, September 30th, October 3? The answer to this question is October 1. UN's International Day of Older Person is annually observed across the globe on 1st October to recognize elderliness of an asset in the society who are capable of contributing to the development process. The 1st October 2020 marked the 30th anniversary of the International Day of Older Persons. Now let's see what the next question is. The next question says, who has the 3-member interim committee of the directors constituted by the RBI to run Dhanlaxmi Bank? Is it Speaker Vijay Kumar, G. Rajagopalan Nair, G. Subramanian Nair, A.K. Mishra, or none of the above? So, it's time for you guys to type the answer in your notebook. Okay, now let's see what the answer to this question is. The correct answer is option 3, Subramanian Nair. Explanation is, the Reserve Bank of India RBI approved a 3-member committee of directors to exercise the power of Managing Director MD and the Chief Executive Officer of Dhanlaxmi Bank. The next question says, who has been chosen as the recipient of 2020 Gandhi Award of Mahatma Gandhi National Foundation MGNF? Sanjay Singh, Narayana Karib, M. Venkaiah Naidu, Jaisankar Menon, A.V.J. Jose. Now let's see what the answer to this question is. The answer is Sanjay Singh. A.V.J. Jose, chairman of Mahatma Gandhi National Foundation MGNF, announced that Sanjay Singh, member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha and the leader of Aam Aadmi Party, has been chosen as the recipient of the 2020 Gandhi Award. He was recognized with the award of being instrumental in the diplomatic inventions of India to remove the image of Mahatma Gandhi on the beer bottles of Malka Brewery, an Israel private company. M. Venkaiah Naidu, Vice President of India, will present the Indian 2020 Gandhi Award to Sanjay. Thanks a lot to all the students. Students, hope this video has helped you a lot, and the further discussion on a few more questions will be continued in the part 2 of the Current Affairs 2020. If you want to join the complete session with our expert faculty, you can contact us in the number which is provided in the description box for continuing the session with our expert faculties for your architecture or design exams. Thanks a lot once again to all the students. See you in the next video. Ignite India, education for all.